This video is to model a pizza slice. Whether we had two pizzas from a 9-inch pizza or one slice from an 18-inch pizza. Now if the student said, let's go and use a circle to represent a pizza, we could go and choose the circle tool to represent the pizza, and you notice it's a dynamic circle, so you can just move that B point in and out and it'll change the radius of the circle. And then you need to put 2 points on the circle to create a sector. Then we'll use the line segments to go and create the edges of the sector, which are representing a slice of pizza. Then what we need to do is we need to go and create a sector, the area of a sector of a circle. Whoops, I did it the wrong way. Let's go back the other direction, and so that we just have the sector between those two radii. Then what we need to do is measure. First of all, let's measure the angle of the sector, or how much of the whole circle we're going to have for one slice of pizza. And then let's go and measure the area of the sector. And then we need to know how long the radius of the circle is. And so now that we have those measurements, we can go and model these changes. 2 pieces of pizza on a 9-inch pizza, or one from an 18-inch pizza. So the first thing we need to do after we ask the students, well, how big does the circle need to be to represent a 9-inch pizza? And that we'll talk about it for a while, come up 4.5. So we move the circle in and out to get the radius to be 4.5. Then we need to go and set where we would have 2 sectors, and then we would double that. So a lot of times students go and say, well, we cut our pizza in the 8-inch into 8 slices. So, well, what would a sector angle be for that? And so we move it around and we talk about, well, we're going to have 45 degrees, and so it's kind of hard in this program sometimes to get 45 degrees, but we got to get, fairly close. That's probably close enough right there. So there we go. And we have our area for that piece of pizza, or that sector, being about 8. Then we go and we double that, so that would be from 45 to 90 degree angles. We say, well, it's 15.97 or about 16. So we can see that it's doubled. So we know that if you have 2 pieces for a 9-inch pizza, that would be double the amount of pizza. Now we need to model what it would be if you had 1 slice and you doubled the diameter of the pizza. You went from a 9-inch pizza up to an 18-inch pizza, but you still had 1/8 of the pizza. So then we need to take our radius and make it 9. And then when we do that, you can see that what we have is 31.91, or pretty close to 32. So you can see it got 4 times larger